What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when your iPhone keeps overheating when playing a game or just by using it normally. So first of all, let's take a look at which apps are using up the most of your battery and consequently heat up your device. Head to your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on battery. Scroll down and you'll see which apps are using up the most of your battery life. This could be a game, social media app or your browser for example. When tapping on the app, you can see for how long the app has been active and compare this to how much battery it used. It's a good idea to force close these and all other apps on your iPhone from time to time to clear up your memory. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open up your app switcher, and then swipe up again to close them. This might help when using an older iPhone or when demanding apps or games are running in the background. In general, turning off features that you don't use, such as location tracking, Bluetooth or Wi-Fi can help, but you should also consider properly restarting your device, especially if you haven't done this in a while. Press the volume up button, volume down button, and then hold the power button to access the slide to power off screen. Alternatively, head to your general settings and scroll down to turn off your device. Wait a couple of minutes if your device is still overheating, and then hold the power button again until the Apple logo appears. Restarting your iPhone will restart all software processes and can flush out temporary files, glitches or bugs that can affect your battery, processor and device temperature. After restarting, it's suggested to make sure your operating system is up to date. Head back to your iPhone settings. In the General section, tap on Software Update and download the latest update before restarting your device again. This will make sure that any issues with your current iOS version are fixed. The same goes for outdated apps. If you notice your device overheating every time you use Discord for example, then make sure the app is up to date. Open up your App Store and look up the app's name, in this case Discord, and download the latest update if there's one available to you. If you experience lag when playing demanding games such as Call of Duty Mobile, then make sure to lower your in-game settings. Lowering your graphics and frame rate can greatly lower your overheating problems. While in-game, you should also consider not charging your device, as this will cause extra heat from your battery and cause issues. When charging your iPhone, it's always suggested to use Apple's original charging cable and not unapproved cords, as they could potentially induce overheating while charging. In addition to the previous tips, you should keep your iPhone out of direct sunlight. If you're experiencing issues when using your iPhone outside, then bring it inside and allow it time to return to its normal temperature. Removing the iPhone's case can also help cool it down a bit. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.